Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, our imaginary YouTube channel. We're gonna do, you're not supposed to have it on yet.
Oh.
How'd she hear me? She's cheating. Okay, we're gonna do no talking, blind, and deaf.
Deaf? That's right.
Baking challenge. With this.
Read it.
And we already got the
Read
stuff.
it, it's backwards.
Holiday gingerbread brownie kit.
Brownie gift. And that's why we're wearing our
Oh.
ugly sweaters.
Yeah. Hers has
Anyways,
hearts.
I have to stop talking now.
Oh, you're not gonna wear something?
Why would I wear something?
Oh, okay. Okay. We'll figure it out, and the camera's inverted now because it looked disgusting. I don't know. Okay, let's get started. Stop talking, stop laughing. You're looking. Okay, what am I supposed to do?
Okay, you have to open it.
Oh, don't speak so loud. You're right in my ear.
Am I too loud? Oh.
Yes.
I'm sorry. I don't know how loud I am.
What is this?
That's sprinkles. Oh, we got sprinkles.
Oh, I can't see. What color is this?
What?
Okay,
That's
what's
it.
next?
That's it. Okay,
Oh.
take it, open it. I don't know.
I can't. Why are you laughing?
You still have a little bit more. What? You're good, you're good, you're good. You're good. Okay, you gotta spray the pan on the, right here. More. Down. Get the inside. Not all the way down there. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Oh, this smells like caca. What's next?
Choose.
What is this? No, get the other one.
Huh?
Get the other one. I put there the dripper.
Is she supposed to measure it? Okay. Here and here. Fill it all the way up. Keep going. Stop. No. Wash your hands with your oily ass. You need to put water.
Ow, it's hot.
You need to put water in this cup once you're done. Oh, you need 2 cups. Two water thingies. Okay, now pour it into the. Oh my goodness, little girl. All right, pour it in here. You need another one. You need more. You need, girl, that empty. That empty. Okay, that's good. You need to crack these eggs. There's the counter right there. Professional. Oh, that one not came out right. Hey, got my AirPods.
Well, I can't
Can't you see?
I can't. No, I can't see. Look at this right here.
Start whisking. Yup. That's a lot. That's a lot. It looks dry.
We're supposed to add milk.
No.
Tina, leave it. Oh my god.
Pat it more? Beat it more? I think is she good? Or she need more? You need to go more. Yeah.
Am I done?
Is she good? More in the middle? More in the middle.
I don't know what the middle is.
You're good.
Oh. What is right here?
You ashy.
It's not ash.
What?
What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened?
What happened?
Yes.
Because I caught you atching.
It's not that serious.
Okay, you're gonna take it and then you're gonna put it on the pan. The pan is right next to you on your left. You're supposed to take the chocolate out of the pan, not in the pan.
Can you get a spatula? The speed thingy?
Ew, it looks like you're gonna crack on your hands. Girl ain't getting nothing.
I can't see. What do you expect? Ew, this is disgusting.
Go more in the middle.
Who's right there? Get another angle. I'm so dirty. Half the freaking batter's all up on me.
Yeah, get the stuff in the middle and then you're finished. Why you look so aggressive? Is it supposed to look like that?
What happened? How does it look like? How does it look like?
Oh, you need to spread it. Go from this corner up. I mean, that's one way to do it. Can you get that corner right there?
What corner?
Yeah, that one. All of the corners.
All I heard this whole time from Betty.
Huh?
Oh, I forgot you can hear. Am I freaking done? I want to wash my hands. This feels powdery. What are you doing? Oh, I just farted. I pooped myself.
You can wash your hands.
Okay, someone turn it on.
Miss Perfectionist over there trying to make it look all good.
Is my hands good?
No, you're not done. Get inside those crusty nose. Not crusty, okay? They're beautiful.
Oh. Oh. What the hell was that?
How you get it there?
What happened?
You got chocolate all over her hands
Me?
and inside her sweater.
Me?
Betty. But you still have crusties too.
Did I get on my jacket?
A little on the present. Yeah, right there. Betty says she showered for nothing.
Who told you to shower?
She wants to beat you up.
I'm ready. My God, why is the floor slippery?
Get the inside. Not all the way down there.
Is Zena here? Zena?
You want to drop her?
She's fine. We gotta put it on. What the hell? Yeah, clean the dishes. Clean the dishes. Since you're doing nothing.
Huh?
You're doing nothing. Clean the dishes.
Clean the countertop?
Dishes!
Bake for 25 to 30 minutes.
Dishes. Dishes. Guys, we're back. I think I'm gonna look like a hot mess. This how it looks like out of the oven. I did that. It's a little bumpy, like it got acne, but it's okay.
Like you got acne.
We're waiting for it to cool out. My Hello Kitty shirt.
When did you get that?
This edge is crusty.
Like Maya.
Hey, mine is not crusty.
This is my Tomatoes. My Tomatoes. She's been here.
Think it came out?
No.
Maybe.
She's struggling, so we're gonna go check it out.
You're correct. It didn't come out.
As I said,
Only the edges.
Look at my eyes.
Look at you, look me in my eyes.
Maybe it was your sprain.
Yeah, for real.
I couldn't see.
You can use that as an excuse for everything.
But I can.
Be for real.
But I can because I couldn't see. Look all over for. Oh, look at my macho mayos. See it to the camera. Oh, she looks fake. Our little decorations.
I think we should just do it from the pan because I can't take it out.
Decoration, 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 decoration,
Really good.
decoration, and decoration. Should we get more decoration or just these?
You want more decoration?
You have more.
I want more decoration and more funness.
This is a good song. I have to
Christmas
pause it.
tree, Christmas tree. For the Christmas tree. What am I doing?
And action.
I want an angel. 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 Okay. Is this right?
No.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. Yeah, up. Yeah, like that. That ain't going down at all. Yeah. Push more.
That is crunchy. Feel that.
Did it work?
Feel that.
That's hard. Ow, my nail.
That's literally hard as a rock. What? It's freaking hard. It's literally hard as a freaking rock. Not me. Next one.
Flip it.
This?
Flip it. Flip it.
Flip it.
Flip it.
Flip what?
Flip the thingy that you have in your hand. Flip it. Yeah, like that.
Would you leave me? I'll forever be bleeding love. Next.
What do
Give
you-
me Crimetry.
I know Grimmetry.
I wanna get over that.
That's upside down. Yeah.
Turn it up more.
Huh?
I want to hear. Okay. What's the other? Snowman. Snowman.
That. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
On the day that you leave me, I'll forever be
Bleeding love.
I wish I heard that. What did you think was gonna happen?
That's my eye. What is that? Okay, next.
You took the snowman's head off.
What happened? Next. What's next? What's another one we have? The gingerbread though.
Oh. Yeah, like that.
Oh my god, it's so crunchy. What do we have left? What do we have left?
This one?
That was really easy.
The feeling is airtight. It looks like you got cocoa in your head.
I freaking got banged in the head. What do you expect?
Look, oh, you can't see.
Next.
That's it, we're done.
Oh.
She's
I'll
recording.
record. Someone take it out.
Huh?
Take it out. Is it right?
Yeah. You have to let go, but I can't take it no more. Can I?
What? Am I getting you? Was that getting me?
You ready to decorate?
Hang on. Your turn. Why are you laughing? Down.
What do you want to start with?
This one.
The snowman?
Snow
What do you
man.
need?
White frosty.
Here. Can you go more up?
Is that good? Good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. I want the green. Green! The
Green?
big- yes.
Green what?
Oh. I see.
Oh.
Tell me when I'm at the hat. Is this the hat?
Yes. No, down. Up. No, up. Yeah.
You make me complete. You make me a complete. I want sprinkles. White sprinkles.
All right. Yeah.
You don't tell me when to stop. I want the Christmas tree.
Tell me when to stop.
Christmas tree.
Oh. That one. It's coming out of the top side.
Oh God. Did I get all of it?
Yes.
Okay.
No. You missed a tree. Right there, right there.
Okay.
Yes.
I want pink. No, I want the dots. The one that came in the package.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I want
This is your last one.
What? I thought I was doing all of them because I can't see. Y'all see it. It's gonna look all good.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
No. No. No.
What?
No.
No what?
No.
No what?
No.
Oh,
You can't do all of them.
that's whack.
That's white?
Whack!
Oh.
Okay, what is this one? What is this?
Oh, snowflake.
What is this?
A gingerbread man.
What is this?
A star.
What is this?
You. Oh, not you. You're the devil.
I'm
then
angel, angel. Okay. What? What are you laughing? Give me the pink sprinkles.
Peach?
Pink! Do
Oh.
we have peach? Where's the white? No, white icing. Okay. That's my 3 done. I don't wash my hands.
Oh, you can take it off now.
Oh. Ew.
Beautiful?
No. That was supposed to be a smiley face. This one looks good. Okay guys, which one's your favorite? That one? It looks like a bunny.
It's supposed to be the snowman.
Yeah.
Oh my god, these are trash.
You decapitated the angel.
That's why I said she's bigger.
That one? Or my boo for Christmas tree. Yeah.